And temperatures are warming up as we head closer to the afternoon hours. Here's a look at South Padre Island from Beach Park at Isla Blanca. Definitely gorgeous conditions. It's going to be favorable to be by the beach or in the pool as we head into the next few hours. So right now 88 in South Padre Island is significantly cooler than what we're seeing inland. We're already in the 90s, but as we look at that beach planner for the rest of today, we are expecting those highs to top out about 85 degrees, 84 with mostly sunny conditions. Although the humidity is going to be a little bit more for our coastal area, so we're going to see those feels like temperatures up to about 96 to 98 on the island, especially if you're not near the water there. But as we look at areas inland, we're going to see feels like temps ranging between 106 to 110, especially for areas out towards the west of us from McAllen to Rio Grande City there. But other than that, as far as this weekend, we're going to be slightly hotter as an area of high pressure is going to be moving over Texas there. So 99 for a high on Saturday, 100 for Sunday, with feels like temps ranging between 105 to 110. So definitely practice those heat safety measures because we're just going to be a degree or two warmer as we head into the weekend. As far as the latest drought monitor that was released today, we are seeing those dry conditions now slowly creeping into Hidalgo County. So unfortunately, we're going to need the rain to keep this drought conditions away from us there as we go into the coming weeks. And unfortunately, we're not expecting any significant rain chances, at least for the next 7 days or so. But we could see some showers. We're all going to be influenced by that high pressure system that's dominating over the south central U.S. This is moving from the east off towards Texas. So that's going to keep conditions hot, humid, and quiet, at least for the weekend into the start of next week. So as we look at the future clouds and radar, highs in the 90s and 100s, lows in the 70s, as that area of high pressure just continues to dominate over Texas. So we're going to see some triple-digit temperatures for this weekend, and not just for us, for other locations as well. So it's going to be very dry across the entire state of Texas, as well as very hot with those 100-degree temps from San Antonio all the way up to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And we could see some rain chances creep back in as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, as that high will continue moving off towards the west there over New Mexico and the Four Corners region. So definitely expecting some coastal showers. As far as the tropics, we are looking at Hurricane Bonnie, which is a Category 1 hurricane. It is 90-mile-an-hour winds. This is in the Pacific Ocean. This is expected to move away from the U.S. and not expecting to threaten us or the U.S. as we head into the coming days. And also the good news is that the tropics are fairly quiet. We are not expecting any activity within the next 5 days because we are expecting a plume of more Saharan dust on the way that is going to be moving across the Atlantic Ocean. Eventually, this is going to be arriving in the Gulf of Mexico as we head towards the end of next week. That does a good job of preventing those tropical systems from becoming strong. As far as your 7-day forecast, highs in the upper 90s, lows in the 70s, so very hot and humid conditions expected. It's going to be slightly hotter for the weekend.